Hello, friends. Today I'm going to talk about participles. Participles is that form of verb that functions like an adjective. It can be past participle or present participle. Like if I say, the running child bumped into me. Now, the word running over here is not acting as a verb, it is acting as an adjective because it is adding something to the noun child. The running child bumped into me. So, a running present participle acting as adjective. The worried mother had a sleepless night. So, worried is a past participle ed form of the verb but acting as an adjective. So, the verb form that acts as an adjective becomes a participle. So if we say he is running, then it becomes a verb. But if I say the running child, it becomes an adjective. We are living in a developing country. It is developing over here is adjective, so it is a participle. If it has to be a verb, it should look like India is developing at a fast pace. So if I say India is developing at a fast pace, then developing over here is a verb. But over here we are talking about we are living in a developing country. Developing being used as adjective, adding something to the noun country. I can't jump from a running bus. So, running bus. Bus is a noun, adding something to the noun becomes an adjective. So, running over here is acting as an adjective. The movie was motivating. So it is adding something to the noun movie. So motivating over here is acting as adjective. Look at that burning train. Now train is a noun and burning over here is adjective. Though it is ing form of the verb, but it is acting as an adjective. So it is a participle. If I say the candles are burning, then burning becomes over here verb. A motivated person can do anything. So describing the noun person, motivated comes out to be a participle here. She is very dedicated to her goals. She now dedicated again acts as an adjective here. The worried father was sleepless. So worried becomes an adjective because it is adding something to the noun father. So participle is actually a kind of a verb that acts as an adjective. When it functions as an adjective, it is called a participle. I hope it is clear. Stay tuned for more such videos.